You can export the search results from the Issue Navigator in a number of ways. One option is to display the filtered list as dashboard gadgets. Click on Issues and then on Search for Issues. Enter your search query. Then click on Export, and you will see various options. Click on Dashboard Charts. The search results are displayed as a list of filtered results by default. You can select the gadget or diagram you want to display. There is a bar chart for average age and a chart for created versus resolved. There are also charts for heat map, pie chart, recently created, resolution, and time since. For example, the created versus resolved chart displays the created and completed issues during a specific time period. Click on the gear icon to refresh or edit the charts and change their criteria. To finish, click on Save to Dashboard. Select the dashboard on which you want to display the chart, enter a filter name, and click on Save. You will see the gadget on the dashboard, and you can quickly return to the issue list by clicking on View in Issue Navigator.